6-14. Yan, 6-14.
Natividad, si Gonzales.
Gonzales Kami.
Natividad.
Natividad Kami.
Gabi kasi sabi mo, picture ang pangit tignan eh.
Medyo pangit.
Parang squawwa lang ang dating.
First possession for SD Westside. Abroad. Pull up. Wala. Rebound block. Ihas. Astro. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound abroad. Nasa kay Gonzales. Gonzales. Middle lane. Wala. Rebound Natividad. Irmesa. Masuk Ihas. Ihas. Masuk Irmesa. Wala. Abroad. Pinasa kay Moy. Moy. Pinasa kay Gonzales. Steal by Natividad.
Wala. Wala si ano ngayon ah. Si yung isa. Si Renz ba yun?
Natividad bola. 2 points. Gonzales. Pinasa kay Kuya Peter. Biyalik kay Gonzales. Hoy. Fake. Drive. Pull up. 2 points. Alif to lock. 2 points.
Ano number yun? 30 ba?
Gonzales, master point. Pinasa kay Gerald. 3 points. Shoot. Yes. Attack. Steal. Boy. All alone for easy 2 points. Hermesa. Drive. Tumira. 2 points. Gonzales. As to abroad. Corner 3. It's good.
Grabe, on fire. On fire yung idol ko. On fire. Sino yan, te?
Eight seconds.
Ikaw, Monte Palco? Wala naman yun.
Ano nangyari dun, te? Ano yung pinost? Yung cheater niyang asawa? Alam ko yun eh, kasi yung gasa, yung cheater.
Boy, in the middle, layup. Wala. Rebound lock.
May bago na agad na jowa.
Foul number 33, Peter Panes. First personal foul. First team foul. Natividad. After abroad. 2-2. Boy against Natividad. Boy is foul. On number 0, Natividad. First personal foul. First team foul. So check for number 6, Boy.
Kulang na naman yung mga ano.
Ay, sige na. Mamaya mo na palit yung picture. Sarap pala pag nag-fish oil tsaka ano.
Yung idol ko. Hanapin nyo na lang.
1 out of 2. Yes. Pass to lock. Binigay kay Natividad. Pass to lock. 8 seconds. Around symbol. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Five seconds. Actividad, push up. Wala. Rebound, Pares. Pinasakay Boy. Boy, 2 points.
Tayo ay maglalakbay.
Actividad, pass to lock. Pinasakay number 30. 31. Number 31. Pinasakay Actividad. 8 seconds. Actividad, pass to lock. All alone, 2 points for lock. Abroad, wala. Rebound, Actividad. Number 31, drives, in and out. Longjun, pinasa kay Boy, 3-on-2. Boy, crossover, pinasa kay Gonzalez. Pinasa kay Longjun, Boy. 2 points. Number 31. Arsenal. Spins. 2 points. Rock is on fire. Number 14. Pass to Dongjun. Boy, master.
Ay!
Wala. Iwan ang aktividad. Number 31. Against Madonia. Pinasa kay Tias. 2 points. 3-point lead by SD Western. Boyd drives, pass to abroad. In and out, 3-1 block. Baseball pass to Permeza. Permeza. Pass to Tias. Tias against Panes. Wala. Rebound, Permeza. Wala ka rin. Rebound, number 31 is foul. Abito Sharet. Foul number 33 Panes. Second personal foul. Second foul. Push out for number 31.
Panis.
31. Gonzaga. Asa pala si Pedro?
Our shot is good.
Buhay kong maangas.
In and out. 1 out of 2 para kay Gonzaga. Boy. Drive. Wala. Rebound, Gonzaga. Ronaldo. Pass to Sevilla. Back to Ronaldo for 3. Wala. Rebound, Gonzalez. Pass to Boy. Boy is foul.
First.
Foul number 31, Gonzaga. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 6, Boy. First shot is good. One out of 2 para kay Boy. Kai, pinasa kay Gonzaga. Gonzaga. Pass to Natividad. Fires over 3. Man! We are all tied at 16, mga kaibigan. Steal by number 31. Gonzaga, pinasa kay Ronaldo. Wala. Rebound point. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Dong Manuel. Charging foul. Foul number 1. And the first water. Akin po, akin.
Habang.
Sevilla. Pass to number 17, Natay Ronaldo. Eight seconds. Sevilla, Natay Kai. Move on.
Nakatakbo kasi ba?
Ano ni kay?
41.
Number 14, sinasakay ang Bros. Out of bounds. Manuel is fouled.
Personal.
Foul number 5, Diaz. First personal foul, first team foul. Two shots for number 1, Ramon Manuel. Two out of two. Yes. Pass to number 17, Natay Ronaldo. Sevilla, 8 seconds. Sevilla, pass to Ronaldo. For three. Wala, rebound Sevilla. Ronaldo in violation.
Wala si Commissioner.
Maliit na naman. Ay, hindi. May laro kasi bukas eh.
Gonzalez, dire-diretso. Wala.
Ay,
Bukas na ba yung liga niya?
Foul number 18, Sumok. First personal foul, first foul.
Ano oras ka ba guys pupunta? Ano oras ka ba pupunta?
wait yung first game. Yung first game namin, alas 10 pero gusto nila pumunta ng alas 8. Kasi dalawa yung team ng TNB dun eh.
Pero kung dudrive ka? Oo, kung ikisabay ka.
Baka makisabay na lang. Carpool lang. Sabi nila, carpool lang.
Hoy, wala.
Sino ba?
Foul number 14, Gonzalez. First personal foul, second team foul. Diaz, Paso Sevilla. 5-4-3. Wala. Rebound, abroad. Paso Boy. 1-2. Pinasa kay Alvin. Alvin, 2 points.
Robot.
Yes. Pass to number 17. Kiri-kiri shot. Wala. Rebound abroad. Pinasa kay Boy. Boy, mag-isa. Pinasa kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez, huli ka. Oh, may foul para. Foul number 77, Kuya Kid.
Ilan na yan? Ha?
First.
First personal foul, second team foul. First shot is good. Two out of two para kay Gonzalez. Yes, pinasa kay Guy. Guy. Pinasa kay Kuya Kim. Mira 3. 2-3. Rebound, Aldwin, Arbab. Substitution red. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Sevilla, ini na, rebound Bedonia. Nasakay abroad. Abroad against Ronaldo, abroad. 2 points. Iya, drives, pinasakay Kai. Kai, pinasakay Kuki. All alone for 3. Wala.
Scotty Thompson. Scotty Thompson.
Abroad. Titira sa 3. Wala. Ronaldo, pass to Kai.
Next timeout.
Yes. Drives. 2 points. Aldwin. Aldwin, pass to abroad. Derek Aldwin, 100 is good. Timeout. Garage time. Official score 26-20. 6-3 by SD Westside.
Halftime. Halftime.
Pag-time, okay.
Post ko?
Okay.
There's another timeout. 10 seconds left, 10 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Yes, pass to Fermesa. Balik kay Diaz. Kupinga. Hindi na natrayas. Wala. Iba. Jovinko. Abroad. Oh, libreng-libre. Wala. Rebound from Jude. Binalik kay Abroad. Isa pa. Bang! 3 points, yeah, Abroad. Dos lang, sorry, dos lang. Sevilla, nasa kay Kia. Nasa kay Firmeza. 3 points, Firmeza.
Post lang kay Abrot, no? Pre?
Dos lang. Mas naka-3 si Permesa.
Nong John, board master. Wala. Number 17, tumatakbo. Number 17. Wala. Iba. Nong John. Bedonia. Piyasa kay Manuel. Short. Abroad. Iba. Is foul. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. 30 foul. So just for number 16, Gerald Duarte.
OT pa kagabi.
Wala yan. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Two out of two for Jeddah. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Actividad is foul. Noel, second personal foul. 2 seconds. Firmeza.
Yes. 2013.
Hoy, pass to abroad for 3. Malakas, rebound number 31. Gonzaga. Gonzaga against Boy. Roughing violation. Jun, finally, 2 points. Firmeza. Lower, 2 points. Line violation.
Sito pues, permesa no?
Ay, wala. Gonzales, pasakay ng Jun. Isa pa. Wala. Rebound Panes. Sinasakay yung Jun niya. Actividad against Gonzales. Pinasakay Firmeza. Runner, no good. Rebound, Kuya Peter. Pinasakay Bedonia. Pinasakay Poy. Lays up, 2 points. Gonzaga, pinasakay. Number 17, wala pa rin. Poy, 2 points. Firmeza is foul. Foul number 14, Gonzales, second personal foul, first foul. Possess score number 9, Firmeza. One out of 2 para kay Firmeza. White. Drive as to Bedonia. Wala. Rebound Kai. Pinasa kay Firmeza. Firmeza. Isa ba? Wala. Iwan abroad. Abroad. Runner. Wala. Iwan abroad pa rin. Abroad. Wala. Abroad. Wala pa rin. Single. Abroad, to Gonzales, 2 points. Actividad, pass to Kai. Pinasakay number 17, 2 points. Point lead by SC Westside. Go on, after George, Arban Singbo. Broad for 3. Wala, Ivan Gonzaga. Pero may foul. Foul number 33, Panes. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 23 seconds to shoot. Matividad, pass to number 17. Matividad, side step, 2 points. Gonzalez, Hooligan, time! Pinasa kay Firmeza. Firmeza, runner is, wala, rebound. Gonzaga, 2 points. Gonzalez is fouled.
Who's foul?
Technical.
Who's foul?
Technical. Wait lang. Pretro lang man.
Number 41, technical foul. Kami to siya rep. Paalala lang, technical foul po ang shouting and clapping.
41?
Technical free throw for number 14, Gonzalez.
Ipunan.
No good.
Wala na.
Hindi ko na kaya yun.
Hindi na kaya niya. Hindi ko na lang. Ako kasi.
19 seconds shot lang, 19 seconds.
Bakoys?
Boy. Wala, rebound, pagbuhat.
Counted.
Basket. Ay, kasama pang foul.
Sino foul? 41?
17.
Foul number 17.
First.
First personal foul. First team foul. Ball shot for Gerald up front. Ball shot is good. 9-point lead by USA. Sevilla, last by. Wala, rebound Gerald. Nasa kay Boy. 3 on 1. Boy. Wala. Sevilla. Pass to number 17. 2 points.
Sino ka shoot? 17?
Number 7.
Manuel. Manuel, pinasakay Sumuo. Pinasakay Gonzalez. Boy. 10 seconds. Boy, drive. 6 seconds. Gonzalez for 3. Wala. Rebound Gonzaga. Gonzaga. Pinasakay Ronaldo. Sinira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Gonzaga. Pinasakay Sevilla. Sevilla. 2 points. 5-point lead by SB Westside. 5-point lead. Manuel. Pass to Gonzalez for 3. Wala. Rebound abroad. Abroad hook shot. 2 points. Ronaldo. Pinasakay ko Sevilla. Sevilla. Sevilla pass to Gonzaga is foul. Ball number 18. Sumo.
Yan siya.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. Pushes from number 31, Pedro Gonzaga. Is that no good?
Manig ka naman ah.
Kaya naguto ko yun.
Pantay ba?
0 out of 2. Rebound ni Kai. Hook shot. 2 points. Manuel. Pass to Gonzalez. Manuel. Gonzalez for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 14. Manuel. 10 seconds. Boy. Drives. Pass to Alvin.
Umalis na eh. Parang umalis na first quarter lang naglaro.
Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots for number 18, Summo. First shot is good.
Sige pa. Sige pa. Pagalangan yan, sige.
2 out of 2. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off.
Take foul! Take!
Right, pinasa number 17. Wala, rebound abroad. 1 second. And of the third quarter, official score 47-38. 7-point lead by SD Westside.
Wala sa dagat dito eh. Wala sa dagat si Coach. Sakay talang to ah. Abroad, ilan pa na? Wala. Gusto mo tatlo?
Walang foul siya.
Edwin, dalawa. Ako pre. Poy, wala pa. Number 6.
Poy. Wala. Zero. Maraming score. Walang foul.
Light ball, light ball. Light ball, light ball. Black ball. Sorry. Ball, well. Out of bounds.
This side, west side.
Gonzaga against Poy. Gonzaga side step. Wala. Rebound abroad. Pinasay Poy. Poy. Hindi na shoot. Kai. Spin. Pass to Pias. 2 points. Abroad. 1-footer, wala. Iwan Alvin. Kelvin, 10 seconds. Manuel, pinasay ito mo. Under is good. Aktividad. Pass to Kai. Against abroad, Kai. Speed. Foul number 16 abroad. First personal foul. First foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Aktividad. Against Manuel. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound. Jump ball. SD Westside ball. SD Westside. Manuel, nasa kayo buwan. Tira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Aktividad. Arabang sa ito. Firmeza. Pass to number 0, Aktividad. Steal by Calvin. Steal by Aktividad. And 1.
Basket count, ha? Yellow, number 1.
Foul number 1 on Manuel. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for number 0, Natividad. And one is completed by Natividad. Manuel, pass to Sumol. Sumol. Offensive foul.
Yan si Alvin.
Third.
Sumol, third personal foul. Ay, Rapas.
Ano ba sila nagpa?
First experience naman.
Abroad. Sa loob, abroad. 2 points. 6-point lead by SPSA. Firmeza against Manuel. Firmeza, nagbitawa ng bola. Arwas. Manuel, pass to Abroad.
Sub next.
Natividad, nasa Igay. Natividad, drive. Wala, rebound. Firmeza. Firmeza, nasa Igay. 3 seconds violation.
Stop.
Reduction rep. Next game, The Break versus Yolanda Cruz. Panes. Pass the boy. Panes. Drives. Wala. Rebound cut. Pinasakay Tias. 4-2. Tias against Kelvin. Tias layup. 2 points. Bedon. Pass the boy. Boy against Natividad. Boy. Punta kay Abroad. 14 to shoot. Gonzalez. Bedonia. 2 points.
Pagol.
10 seconds. 2 points for Natividad. 4-point lead. 4-point lead na lang. 4-point lead.
Unbroken yun, te. Unbroken.
Bedonia is foul. Foul number 0. Substitution rep.
Number 0.
Substitution rep.
Tatlo na.
Mamaya. Cancel.
Tatlo na si Natividad.
Natividad, third personal foul. Point and seconds. Pinasakay Gonzalez. 6 seconds. Bedonia. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. Abroad. Spin shoot shot. Wala. Rebound fly.
Kaya siya, diba tawa-tawa na.
Diaz. Wala. Rebound. Sevilla. Pull up. Pull ball. Abroad. Romira. 2 points. Hey, kick. Two points. Dalawa na lang ulit.
Siyempre, 41. 17.
17. Calvin. Ares. Pass to Calvin. 10 seconds. Nongjoy.
Wala.
Wala. Rebound point. 3 seconds. Gonzalez. Wala. Rebound. Foul number 6 point.
Take ball. We are advantage. We got some players.
Point first personal foul. 13 foul. 22 seconds.
Dalawa na lang yun, oh. Four lang lamang nila kanina.
Kias. Tumira. Huli ka. Abroad, pinasa kay Kelvin. Papunta kay Boy. Wala. Kias. Pinasa kay number 17. Wala pa rin. Rebound abroad. Pinasa kay Donya. Donya, pinasa kay Boy. Kelvin. 10 seconds. Abroad, libre. Titira na. Wala, rebound at Tibilad. Tibilad. Nggak nakatawag. Out of bounds. Time out.
Nice down.
Time out. Garage drive.
Isang bola. Backward.
Kung tayong ticket-ticket mo dati.
Concert ba yun?
Ayaw ko nung dito, Jim Monterde. Oo, walang kwenta.
Kayo na yung dalawa, hindi kayo.
Oo, pwede. Kayong dalawa na lang. Pasa ko nun,
Ngayon, hindi mo nanood ng city.
Pasa ko
Mahal
nun.
ng ticket din eh.
Pasa ko nung Jim Monterde.
Uwi tayo eh. Magagastos ka pa, uwi tayo.
Dapat yung mga hype.
Sana kung ano yan. Salbakota.
Gusto ko parokya ni Eddie. Kailan ba yun? August? October?
Point is foul. Foul number 5, Kias. Second personal foul. 17 foul. Ares. Sinasay Gonzalez. 10 seconds. Ares drives, lays it up.
Ay! Ay! Panis?
A very rare footage of Peter. Tividad. Out of bounds. SD Westside. 4-point lead. Apat lang ang lamang. Apat lang. Gonzalez. Pass to Abroad. Pass to Peter. Binasa kay Boy. Boy drives. Huli. 3-on-2. Tias. Pass to Tividad. 2 points. SD Westside. Official score 55-53, 2-point lead by SD Westside. Reminders, both teams, Mr. Rapo and Amat ang timeout. Twenty-four seconds, yeah, 24 seconds. Full court, full court. 10 seconds. Oh, number 5. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Medonia, pass to approach. 6 seconds. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Foul number 5 Pias, fourth personal foul, warning for penalty. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Foul number 17. 41, 41, yeah, sorry. Second personal foul, penalty. To the score, Gerald Abroad. First shot, no good.
Meron ba, sir?
Both teams, tig-isa po po ang time off. Garage one. 3-point lead by SC Vessels.
Ilan ba? 0.8? 0.8? Wala, nalintis na. Nalintis mo na eh. Nalintis mo lang.
Kirayan nyo.
Basta wala ng ano ha. Wala sigaw ha.
Grabe, parang 21 years old yung layup eh, no? Hindi nakuha na ni kami, so ayan.
Yung pag-layup mo, nakapost pala. Nakapost.
Point 8 to shoot. Point 8 to shoot. Basket good for Kids Sevilla.
Hindi, 2 minutes lang. 2 minutes lang ta.
2 minutes overtime. 2 minutes lang. 2 minutes lang ang overtime.
Mas carry over yung foul, ba?
Ah, 17, dalawa lang po.
Dalawa.
Toss coin na lang, boss. Toss coin. 2 minutes lang pa.
2 minutes lang, sir. Ano, sir, carry over ang foul, sir, ha? Carry over ang team fouls. So, penalty pa rin ang Garage Red. Carry over yan, di ba? Pati yung timeout, carry over.
Time out, wala.
Ano yan sa second dyan?
Kung minindis niya 0.8, tatalbog. Wala na, ano.
2 minutes. Wala na pong timeout ang Garage Grind. May isa pa po ang SD Westside. Penalty ang Garage Grind. One team foul to give SD Westside. Gonzalez sa loob. Pinasa kay Abroad. May foul. Foul number 77, Sevilla. Second personal foul for Sevilla. The shot for Gerald Abroad. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 2.8 by SD Westside. Firmeza, tinira ng 3. Bang! Lawang na po ang Garage Drive. Kelvin. Still by Firmeza. Pinasa kay Kai. 2 points. 3-point lead. Honest. Pass to Belgium. Pinasa kay Abroad. Against Kai. Abroad. Is foul. Foul number 41. Kai.
Third personal.
Third personal foul. 2 shots for Gerald Abroad.
Third personal foul ni Kai.
Score of 2 para Gerald Abroad. 1 lead for Garage Grind. Firmeza. Pinasa kay Kias. Kias. Papasa kay Kid. Kid. Wala. Rebound Bedonia. Pinasa kay Boy. Boy against 2. Boy. Reverse is wala. Rebound. Table.
Roy. Pass to Gonzalez. 40 to shoot. Roy. 2 points. Abang ako. SD Westside. Kias. 2 points. Gonzalez with the ball. 40 seconds left. Abroad. Start to shoot. Gonzalez, pass to Koy, first to shoot. Good. Nakala Gonzalez. 10 seconds. Two seconds to shoot. Gonzalez.
Jump ball.
The last time ball. 6 seconds.
Wala na shot clock.
Shot clock is on.
Wala nang timeout. Wala nang timeout. Continuous yan. Continuous.
Continues.
Wala pa.
Penalty. 1 minute penalty pa lang po ang SD Westside. 5 seconds.
Isa pa kami. Time out.
Time out, Bob.
Outside.
Time out sila, time out. Wait lang, time out pa. Okay, go na.
Sir. Time out. Three.
Sino sila time out? Time out.
Ganda ng bigay. Overtime ulit.
Sino na makashoot?
Ah,
Number
77 ha.
77, Sevilla.
third.
Third personal foul.
Anong gagawin dito ng second number? Second number tayo. Basahin mo na lang. Golden goal. Ano yung golden goal?
Okay. 3 seconds.
taas daw. Tayo na grabe yung takbo ni Nung. 120 yung takbo ni Nung.
End of the ball game. Official score 64-63. Breathtaking 1-point lead in overtime by SD Westside.